Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my Zoya box from the Earth Day sale, so I figured we could open it together today. I did cut the tape, but I haven't gotten into it yet. So I placed a very small order. I think I told you guys I needed 4 more of my daughter's polishes that are the color for her wedding that we're doing. If you don't know, for when my girls get married, we pick a color that matches their wedding colors, and we get one for me and them and their sisters and bridesmaids. So I had bought some at one of the December sales, but it wasn't enough because I didn't know how many bridesmaids there were going to be. So I bought the rest of those, and that was only 4, so I had 2 left to get the sale price. So I picked 2 from, I believe, the Thrive collection. I think. Let's open it and see. Oh, I didn't think that we got the Mini Remove Plus when they did the sale. Did I get the Remove Plus? I didn't think that I did. If I thought that with the sale and free shipping we didn't get the extra, but I did get the Mini Remove Plus. And some of their swatches that they send. Those are sometimes nice to have. Oh, more swatches. More swatches from Sophisticates and the Naturals. And a little booklet explaining their naked manicure system, the lotions and stuff. And then of course my receipt and their 7 million packing peanuts that are in there. So I ordered 6, so my 1 box is here. Oh, that's interesting. One of the ones I ordered came in an individual box in there. I don't think I've ever had that happen either. So, this one is Trudith. It's that purple from the Thrive collection. So, I'm excited to try that one. Yep, and Brandi. That's the other one. It's the kind of muted pink from the Thrive collection. I'm really excited to have that one now too. So those were the 2 extras I ordered, and then I have 4 of Lidia, which is a deep dark purple that I love, and my daughter really likes it. So this is the one for the wedding color for my daughter who's getting married in June. So this is, I have 3 more in this box and several more put up. So I just thought it would be fun to open it together even though my order was small. Have you guys been getting your orders in? Have you been happy with what you ordered? Excited about it? I always feel like if you order a larger order, I sometimes have a surprise love. Like I ordered a polish that I knew I would like, or I thought I would like, and then it shows up and I'm like, oh my gosh, I had no idea how much I would like it. So let me know if that's happened to you with this set of orders. I have an SE Spring Collection review coming up, but I don't think that'll go up until next week. And so I'll see you guys Saturday for Angie's Manis. Have a good week, guys. Bye.